Imagine a world where thoughts could control machines, where paralysis is a thing of the past. This is the future Neuralink aims to build. Founded in 2016 by Elon Musk, Neuralink is a company focused on developing brain-computer interfaces, or BCIs. Musk, known for his ambitious ventures like Tesla and SpaceX, believes Neuralink has the potential to revolutionize how we interact with technology and even each other. At its core, Neuralink's mission is to create a seamless link between the human brain and artificial intelligence. This connection, Musk argues, is crucial for humanity to keep pace with the rapid advancements in AI. Ultimately, Neuralink envisions a future where humans can effortlessly interact with computers, download information directly to their brains, and even communicate telepathically. The key to Neuralink's vision is its high-bandwidth BCI. This sophisticated technology consists of tiny, flexible threads implanted directly into the brain. These threads, thinner than a human hair, contain electrodes that can both record and stimulate brain activity. Implanting these threads requires incredible precision. Neuralink has developed a specialized surgical robot to handle this delicate procedure. The robot, resembling a futuristic sewing machine, uses advanced imaging and robotics to insert the threads with minimal damage to brain tissue. This high-bandwidth interface allows for an unprecedented level of data transfer between the brain and external devices. Think of it as upgrading from a dial-up connection to high-speed internet, but for your brain. With this technology, Neuralink aims to create a future where humans can control computers, prosthetics, and even their own biological functions with just their thoughts. One of Neuralink's primary focuses is addressing medical challenges. The company believes its technology has the potential to treat a wide range of neurological disorders. Conditions like Parkinson's disease, epilepsy, and Alzheimer's, which have plagued humanity for centuries, could potentially be treated by modulating brain activity with Neuralink's implants. Furthermore, Neuralink's technology holds promise for restoring lost sensory and motor functions. People with paralysis could regain control of their limbs, and those with spinal cord injuries could experience a renewed sense of touch and movement. The ability to directly interface with the brain opens up a world of possibilities for treating previously untreatable conditions, offering hope to millions suffering from neurological disorders. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more updates on Neuralink and other groundbreaking technologies. While medical applications are a key focus, Neuralink's ambitions extend far beyond treating diseases. The company envisions a future where its technology enhances human capabilities. Imagine learning a new language instantly by downloading it directly to your brain, or effortlessly accessing the vast knowledge of the internet with a mere thought. These seemingly futuristic concepts could become reality with Neuralink's technology. Furthermore, Neuralink could facilitate new forms of communication. Imagine a world where we can convey our thoughts and emotions directly to others without the need for words. This telepathic communication could revolutionize human interaction. However, these advancements also raise profound ethical questions about human augmentation, cognitive enhancement, and the very definition of what it means to be human. These are questions we must grapple with as we venture further into this uncharted territory. The prospect of merging minds and machines is as exciting as it is daunting. Neuralink's technology, while promising, raises significant ethical concerns that we must address responsibly. Privacy is a paramount concern. With a device capable of reading brain activity, ensuring the security and privacy of our thoughts becomes crucial. Safeguards must be in place to prevent unauthorized access and potential misuse of this highly sensitive data. Another concern is the potential for social inequality. If Neuralink's technology becomes a reality, will it be accessible to all, or will it exacerbate existing disparities, creating a digital divide within the human species itself? Furthermore, the ability to enhance cognitive function raises questions about fairness and coercion. Will individuals be pressured to adopt these enhancements in competitive environments like education or the workplace? These are just some of the ethical dilemmas we must navigate as we enter this new era of human-computer interaction. Open dialogue, careful regulation, and ethical considerations must guide the development and deployment of technologies like Neuralink. Developing and deploying a technology as complex and potentially disruptive as Neuralink's requires navigating a complex landscape of regulatory hurdles and fierce competition. Regulators worldwide are grappling with the implications of BCI technology. Ensuring the safety, efficacy, and ethical use of these devices is paramount. Striking the right balance between fostering innovation and protecting the public interest will be crucial. Meanwhile, Neuralink is not alone in its pursuit of BCI technology. Companies like Synchron and BrainGate are also developing their own brain-computer interfaces, each with its own unique approach and applications. This competition is driving rapid innovation in the field, but it also raises concerns about potential monopolies and the control of this powerful technology. Encouraging a diverse and competitive landscape will be essential to prevent any single entity from dominating this transformative field. The potential impact of Neuralink's technology on society is immense. It has the power to reshape our world in profound ways, affecting everything from healthcare and communication to education and entertainment. Imagine a world where disabilities are no longer barriers, where knowledge and skills can be acquired instantly, and where communication transcends the limitations of language. This is the future Neuralink envisions. However, such transformative technology also brings potential risks. The line between human and machine could become blurred, raising questions about identity, autonomy, and the very essence of what it means to be human. As we stand on the cusp of this new era, we must proceed with both caution and excitement. The decisions we make today will shape the future of humanity's relationship with technology for generations to come. Neuralink's ambitious goal of merging human minds with artificial intelligence holds immense promise and potential peril. It is a journey into uncharted territory, fraught with both extraordinary possibilities and complex ethical challenges. As we venture further down this path, we must proceed with a sense of responsibility and transparency. Open dialogue, careful regulation, and ethical considerations must guide every step we take. The future Neuralink envisions is one where human potential is amplified, where limitations are overcome, and where the boundaries of human capability are redefined. It is a future where humans and machines coexist and collaborate in unprecedented ways. Whether this future unfolds as a utopia or a dystopia depends on the choices we make today. The future is in our hands, and it is up to us to ensure that technology like Neuralink is used for the betterment of humanity and the creation of a more just world. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a comment and let us know your thoughts.